Okay, so let us find the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the given lines. We have these two lines, and at the same time, perpendicular daw siya sa line na 3x minus 5y plus 11 equals 0. So there are several methods in solving the intersection of the two given lines. So ang gagawin natin ngayon ay yung tinatawag natin na elimination method. Kasi yun yung pinakamadaling way na mahanap natin yung intersection ng dalawang to. So we have 5x minus 6y minus 1 equals 0, and then 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So paano natin yan ma-eliminate? So let us try to eliminate the variable x. So di ba, para ma-eliminate ko yung variable x, dapat yung coefficient ng first equation at saka second equation na parehas pero opposite sila ng sign. So how can it be possible na maging equal sila? So I am going to multiply this one into 3, negative 3, para negative 3 times 5 magiging negative 15. Tapos, ito, i-multiply ko lang ng positive 5. So that, 5 times 3 na muli na 15. When pag-i-add mo na yan, negative 15 plus 15, nagko-cancel, so isa variable. So let us now distribute the negative 3. So negative 3 times 5x, that is negative 15x. Negative 3 times negative 6y, so I have positive 18y. And then, itong negative 1, i-transpose ko sa kabila, magiging positive 1. Tapos, i-multiply ko by negative 3 ng kulaya, negative 3. So, ililipat natin yung constant sa right side. So, for the second equation, we have 5 times 3x. So, that will be 15x. 5 times 2y, so I have positive 10y. And then, I am going to transpose also this positive 5 to the other side. So that will be negative 5. Negative 5 times 5, that will be negative 25. So now, combining these two equations, makakancel yan kasi negative 15 plus 15, that will be 0. So 18 plus 10, that will be 28y. And then this is negative 28. So dividing both sides by 28, para makuha ko yung value ni variable y, so I have y is equal to negative 1. So that is only the value of y. So how about x? So I can solve the value of x by substitution. Itong negative 1, i-replace ko lang ito kay y para makuha ko yung x. So ma'am, paano? Ano po ba yung isa-select namin na equation? Either of the two. So pwede kahit alin dyan. So let us try to use the first equation. So we have 5x negative 6. Ang y ko, nakuha ko yan na negative 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is negative 6 times negative 1, positive 6 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So I have 5x, 6 minus 1, that is 5. And then transpose the constant, so that will be negative 5. Divide both sides by 5. So I have x is equal to negative 1. So therefore, my solution for the two equation, ang intersection nila ay negative 1 at saka negative 1. Diba yung points na magsasatisfy sa dalawang equation, that will be your intersection point. So now, ano ba yung kailangan natin hanapin sa problem na to? Ang hahanapin natin ay yung line na dadaan sa point na to at the same time, perpendicular siya dito. So gagamitin natin yan. So we will going to write that in the slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. Basta na given linear equation yun, tapos na-pull nyo sa slope, you can use this form. Para may transpose sa coefficient of x na, that will serve as your slope. Since naka-standard form yan, so I am going to write this equation into this form. So positive, yung may variable y, remain lang siya sa left side. So magiging negative 5y. Tapos yung may variable x na ipilipatan sa kabila, so magiging negative And then this constant will also be in the right side. So that will be negative 11. So kailangan si y, ang coefficient niya lang ay positive 1. So I am going to divide this equation into negative 5. So that will be y is equal to 3 over 5x plus 11 over 5. Distribute. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yung coefficient ni x na 3 over 5, that is your slope. Let us say, itong line na to na, yan yung pangalawang line. So, for example, assuming that this is the second line, so ang slope ng second line na, by this equation, we have 3 over 5. So, ibig sabihin kung yung hahanapin ko na line ay perpendicular dito, ibig sabihin, ang slope ni line 1 must be negative 5 over 3. Bakit? Kasi po, pag perpendicular, dapat opposite sign pero reciprocal sila. Okay? So, the reciprocal of 3 over 5, so negative 5 over 3. Kasi, kukunin natin yung opposite sign. So, this is the slope of the first line na hinahanap natin. At the same time, we have the point. Kasi dumaan man daw dito. So, now I can find the equation by using the formula y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Okay, recall natin to. Kailan ba ito ginagamit? Gagamitin mo to whenever the given is an equation, tapos lulugon ka sa slope na i-observe ka. Pero kung hahanapin mo yung equation given one point and one slope, so you are going to use this equation. So y minus y sub 1 ko ay negative 1. So negative times negative, that will be positive 1. And then my slope, ano yung slope ko? 3 over 5 or negative 5 over 3? This negative 5 over 3. So, yan yung gagamitin natin. Negative 5 over 3. And then, x minus negative 1. So, that is plus 1. So, how can we eliminate the fraction? So, we are going to multiply both sides by 3. Kasi, para makano sila denominator na 3. So, kung i-multiply natin, so we have 3y plus 3. And then, ito makakancel. So, you are going to distribute the negative 5. So, that is negative 5x, negative 5. So, how to write this into standard form? So, ilipat mo lahat ng variable dito. Lahat pala ng term. So, we have positive 5x plus 3y. And then, 3 plus 5, that would be 8 equal to 0. Okay, so for example, ang given po ay dalawang points. How can you find the equation of the line? So you are going to use this, pero wala ka mang slope. So di ba rin just recall na si slope, ano yung formula ni slope? We have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Asan to nanggaling? Galing siya kay m. Kasi itong m, which is the slope, is equal to this formula. Right? So this is my x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So y minus, ay kanapulubol kasi na equation. So y na remains ka na mo. Ay po sabihin ka na yung mga y sub 1, which is 2. Tapos y sub 2 ka na negative 5 minus 2 over x sub 2 ka na 2, x sub 1 ka na 1, x minus 1. Okay? So this is y minus 2, negative 5 minus 2 na negative 7 over 1. So negative 7 pa rin. X minus 1. So this is y minus 2, negative 7 times x na negative 7x plus 7. So, para maging standard form, you can transpose this as negative 7x muli na 7x plus y. Negative 2 minus 7 ang muli negative 9 is equal to 0.